Primary School Prep Company presents 4 times 1 equals 4 times 1 equals 4.
4 times 1 equals 4.
4 times 2 equals 4 times 2 equals 8.
4 times 2 equals 8.
4 times 3 equals 4 times 3 equals 12.
4 times 3 equals 12?
4 times 4 equals 4 times 4 equals 16. 4 times 4 equals 16.
Four times 4 equals 16. 4 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 fours equals 16. 1, 2, 3, 4 fours equals 16. 4 times 4 equals 16. 4, 8, 12, 16 equals 16. 16 equals 16. 4 times 4 equals 16.
4 times 5 equals 4 times 5 equals 20. 4 times 5 equals 20.
4 times 5 equals 20. 4 times 5 equals 20. 4 times 5 equals 20. 4 times 5 equals 20. 4 times 5 equals 20. 4 fives equals 20. 1, 2, 3, 4 fives equals 20. 4 times 5 equals 20. 5, 10, 15, 20. equals 20. 20 equals 20. 4 times 5 equals 20.
4 times 6 equals 4 times 6 equals 24. 4 times 6 equals 24.
4 times 6 equals 24. 4 times 6 equals 24. 4 times 6 equals 24. 4 times 6 equals 24. 4 times 6 equals 24. 4 sixes equals 24. 1, 2, 3, 4 sixes equals 24. 4 times 6 equals 24. 6, 12, 18, 24 equals 24. 24 equals 24. 4 times 6 equals 24.
4 times 7 equals 4 times 7 equals 28. 4 times 7 equals 28.
4 times 7 equals 28. 4 times 7 equals 28. 4 times 7 equals 28. 4 times 7 equals 28. 4 times 7 equals 28. 4 sevens equals 28. 1, 2, 3, 4 sevens equals 28. 4 times 7 equals 28. 7, 14, 21, 28 equals 28. 28 equals 28. 4 times 7 equals 28.
4 times 8 equals 4 times 8 equals 32. 4 times 8 equals 32.
4 times 8 equals 32. 4 times 8 equals 32. 4 times 8 equals 32. 4 times 8 equals 32. 4 times 8 equals 32. 4 eighths equals 32. 1, 2, 3, 4 eighths equals 32. 4 times 8 equals 32. 8, 16, 24, 32 equals 32. 32 equals 32. 4 times 8 equals 32.
4 times 9 equals 4 times 9 equals 36. 4 times 9 equals 36.
4 times 9 equals 36. 4 times 9 equals 36. 4 times 9 equals 36. 4 times 9 equals 36. 4 times 9 equals 36. 4 nines equals 36. 1, 2, 3, 4 nines equals 36. 4 times 9 equals 36. 9, 18, 27, 36 equals 36. 36 equals 36. 4 times 9 equals 36.
4 times 10 equals 4 times 10 equals 40. 4 times 10 equals 40.
4 times 10 equals 40. 4 times 10 equals 40. 4 times 10 equals 40. 4 times 10 equals 40. 4 times 10 equals 40. 4 tenths equals 40. 1, 2, 3, 4 tenths equals 40. 4 times 10 equals 40. 10, 20, 30, 40 equals 40. 40 equals 40. 4 times 10 equals 40.
4 times 11 equals 4 times 11 equals 44. 4 times 11 equals 44.
4 times 11 equals 44. 4 times 11 equals 44. Four times 11 equals 44. 4 times 11 equals 44. 4 times 11 equals 44. 4 11s equals 44. 1, 2, 3, 4 11s equals 44. 4 times 11 equals 44. 11, 22, 33, 44 equals 44. 44 equals 44. 4 times 11 equals 44.
4 times 12 equals 4 times 12 equals 48. 4 times 12 equals 48.
4 times 12 equals 48. 4 times 12 equals 48. 4 times 12 equals 48. 4 times 12 equals 48. 4 times 12 equals 48. 4 12s equals 48. 1, 2, 3, 4 12s equals 48. 4 times 12 equals 48. 12 24, 36, 48 equals 48. 48 equals 48. 4 times 12 equals 48.
4 times 1 equals 4. 4 times 3 equals 12. 4 times 6 equals 24. 4 times 8 equals 32. 4 times 9 equals 36. 4 times 12 equals 48. 5 times 1 equals 5 times 1 equals 5.
5 times 1 equals 5.
5 times 2 equals 5 times 2 equals 10.
5 times 2 equals 10.
5 times 3 equals 5 times 3 equals 15.
5 times 3 equals 15.
5 times 4 equals 5 times 4 equals 20.
5 times 4 equals 20.
5 times 5 equals 5 times 5 equals 25. 5 times 5 equals 25.
Five times 5 equals 25. 5 times 5 equals 25. 5 5 times 5 equals 25. 5 times 5 equals 25. 5 times 5 equals 25. 5 fives equals 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fives equals 25. 5 times 5 equals 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 equals 25. 25 equals 25. 5 times 5 equals 25.
5 times 6 equals 5 times 6 equals 30. 5 times 6 equals 30.
5 times 6 equals 30. 5 times 6 equals 30. 5 times 6 equals 30. 5 times 6 equals 30. 5 times 6 equals 30. 5 sixes equals 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sixes equals 30. 5 times 6 equals 30. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 equals 30. 30 equals 30. 5 times 6 equals 30.
5 times 7 equals 5 times 7 equals 35. 5 times 7 equals 35.
5 times 7 equals 35. 5 times 7 equals 35. 5 times 7 equals 35. 5 times 7 equals 35. 5 times 7 equals 35. 5 sevens equals 35. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sevens equals 35. 5 times 7 equals 35. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35 equals 35. 35 equals 35. 5 times 7 equals 35.
5 times 8 equals 5 times 8 equals 40. 5 times 8 equals 40.
5 times 8 equals 40. 5 times 8 equals 40. 5 times 8 equals 40. 5 times 8 equals 40. 5 times 8 equals 40. 5 eighths equals 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eighths equals 40. 5 times 8 equals 40. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40 equals 40. 40 equals 40. 5 times 8 equals 40.
5 times 9 equals 5 times 9 equals 45. 5 times 9 equals 45.
5 times 9 equals 45. 5 times 9 equals 45. 5 times 9 equals 45. 5 times 9 equals 45. 5 times 9 equals 45. 5 nines equals 45. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nines equals 45. 5 times 9 equals 45. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45 equals 45. 45 equals 45. 5 times 9 equals 45.
5 times 10 equals 5 times 10 equals 50. 5 times 10 equals 50.
5 times 10 equals 50. 5 times 10 equals 50. 5 times 10 equals 50. 5 times 10 equals 50. 5 times 10 equals 50. 5 tens equals 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens equals 50. 5 times 10 equals 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 equals 50. 50 equals 50. 5 times 10 equals 50.
5 times 11 equals 5 times 11 equals 55. 5 times 11 equals 55.
5 times 11 equals 55. 5 times 11 equals 55. 5 times 11 equals 55. 5 times 11 equals 55. 5 times 11 equals 55. 5 times 11 equals 55. 5 11s equals 55. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 11s equals 55. 5 times 11 equals 55. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55 equals 55. 55 equals 55. 5 times 11 equals 55.
5 times 12 equals 5 times 12 equals 60. 5 times 12 equals 60.
5 times 12 equals 60. 5 times 12 equals 60. 5 times 12 equals 60. 5 times 12 equals 60. 5 times 12 equals 60. 5 12s equals 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 12s equals 60. 5 times 12 equals 60. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60 equals 60. 60 equals 60. 5 times 12 equals 60.
5 times 2 equals 10. 5 times 4 equals 20. 5 times 6 equals 30. 5 times 8 equals 40. 5 times 10 equals 50. 5 times 11 equals 55. 6 times 1 equals 6 times 1 equals 6.
6 times 1 equals 6.
6 times 2 equals 6 times 2 equals 12.
6 times 2 equals 12.
6 times 3 equals 6 times 3 equals 18.
6 times 3 equals 18.
6 times 4 equals 6 times 4 equals 24.
6 times 4 equals 24.
6 times 5 equals 6 times 5 equals 30.
6 times 5 equals 30.
6 times 6 equals 6 times 6 equals 36. 6 times 6 equals 36.
Six times 6 equals 36. 6 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 sixes equals 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sixes equals 36. 6 times 6 equals 36. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36 equals 36. 36 equals 36. 6 times 6 equals 36.
6 times 7 equals 6 times 7 equals 42. 6 times 7 equals 42.
6 times 7 equals 42. 6 times 7 equals 42. 6 times 7 equals 42. 6 times 7 equals 42. 6 times 7 equals 42.
6 sevens equals 42. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sevens equals 42. 6 times 7 equals 42. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42 equals 42. 42 equals 42. 6 times 7 equals 42.
6 times 8 equals 6 times 8 equals 48. 6 times 8 equals 48.
Times 8 equals 48. 6 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 eighths equals 48. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eighths equals 48. 6 times 8 equals 48. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48 equals 48. 48 equals 48. 6 times 8 equals 48.
6 times 9 equals 6 times 9 equals 54. 6 times 9 equals 54.
6 times 9 equals 54. 6 times 9 equals 54. 6 times 9 equals 54. 6 times 9 equals 54. 6 times 9 equals 54. 6 nines equals 54. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 nines equals 54. 6 times 9 equals 54. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54 equals 54. 54 equals 54. 6 times 9 equals 54.
6 times 10 equals 6 times 10 equals 60. 6 times 10 equals 60.
Six times 10 equals 60. 6 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 tens equals 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens equals 60. 6 times 10 equals 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 equals 60. 60 equals 60. 6 times 10 equals 60.
6 times 11 equals 6 times 11 equals 66. 6 times 11 equals 66.
Six times 11 equals 66. 6 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 11s equals 66. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 11s equals 66. 6 times 11 equals 66. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66 equals 66. 66 equals 66. 6 times 11 equals 66.
6 times 12 equals 6 times 12 equals 72. 6 times 12 equals 72.
6 times 12 equals 72. 6 times 12 equals 72. 6 times 12 equals 72. 6 times 12 equals 72. 6 times 12 equals 72. 6 12s equals 72. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 12s equals 72. 6 times 12 equals 72. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72 equals 72. 72 equals 72. 6 times 12 equals 72.
Six times 2 equals 12. 6 times 4 equals 24. 6 times 6 equals 36. 6 times 7 equals 42. 6 times 10 equals 60. 6 times 12 equals 72.
'Hi class! I'm going to show you again how to use the math facts that you have learned to solve both multiplication and division problems. My friends from around the world will help me. 4 times 7 equals 28. Now let's move the biggest number to the beginning. Good! Now one more thing. 28 divided by 7 equals 4. She has 28 breadcrumbs. There are 7 ducks. If she wants to give each duck the same amount, how many will each duck get?
4!
That's right! Each duck will get 4 breadcrumbs. 28 divided by 7 equals 4. Now let's try another problem. 28 divided by 7 equals 4. And 28 divided by 4 equals 7. Now there are 4 fish. She has 28 breadcrumbs. There are 4 fish and 28 crumbs. How many breadcrumbs will each fish get?
7!
That's right. Each fish will get 7 breadcrumbs. Wow, look at that beautiful sunset. 5 times 11 equals 55. Girls, will you please move to the beginning of the equation? Good. Now one more thing. 55 divided by 11 equals 5. He has 55 leis. There are 11 kids. How many leis should he give to each kid?
5!
That's right. He will give 5 leis to each kid. Now let's try another. 55 divided by 5 equals 11. Now he has 55 coconuts. There are 5 girls. How many coconuts will each girl get?
11!
That's right! They each get 11 coconuts. Those are going to make some delicious coconut pies. Mmm. Hi again! Let's see what they are building. 6 times 7 equals 42. Okay, biggest number, move to the beginning. There is a big pile of rocks. There are 7 wheelbarrows. How many rocks should go in each wheelbarrow?
No! You have to make it even.
That's right. You can't put 42 rocks into one wheelbarrow. We have to make it even. How do we divide 42 rocks evenly into 7 wheelbarrows?
6!
Right. 42 divided by 7 equals 6. Okay, I bet you can guess what we are going to do now. 42 divided by 6 equals 7. Let's pile up 42 bricks and bring out 6 wheelbarrows. How many bricks go into each wheelbarrow?
7!
That's right. Each wheelbarrow will have 7 bricks. So exciting! I can't wait to see the finished building. Isn't it beautiful out here? 5 times 6 equals 30. Let's make a division equation. There are 30 space rocks. He is collecting 5 samples. How many rocks should he put in each bag?
6!
That's right. 6 rocks go in each bag. Now let's do one more. 30 divided by 6 equals 5. The robot is collecting 6 samples. How many rocks should he put in each cube?
5!
That's right. 5 rocks go in each cube. Learning to divide was so much fun, and I want to tell you one more thing. There are many ways to write a division equation. I will show you a few. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. There is another way to write this equation. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. Guess what? We are not done. There are a couple of other ways to write this equation. I know, this looks strange, but it means the same thing. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. You might also see it written this way. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. In other words, all 4 equations that you see on the board mean the same thing. They just look a bit different. Let's practice.
"16 divided by 4 equals 4. "20 divided by 5 equals 4. "40 divided by 4 equals 10. "0 divided by 44 equals 0. Divided by 5 equals 8. Divided by 9 equals 5. Divided by 5 equals 12. Divided by 6 equals 6. Divided by 10 equals 6. 66 divided by 6 equals 11.
Let's all practice our math facts. Let's all practice our math facts. Let's all practice our math facts. Multiplication 4 through 6. 4 times 1 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. 4 times 3 equals 12. 4 times 4 equals 16. 4 times 5 equals 20. 4 times 6 equals 24. 4 times 7 equals 28. 4 times 8 equals 32. 4 times 9 equals 36. 4 times 10 equals 40. 4 times 11 equals 44. 4 times 12 equals 48.
Now let's try 5s.
5 times 1 equals 5. 5 times 2 equals 10. 5 times 3 equals 15. 5 times 4 equals 20. 5 times 5 equals 25. 5 times 6 equals 30. 5 times 7 equals 35. 5 times 8 equals 40. 5 times 9 equals 45. 5 times 10 equals 50. 5 times 11 equals 55. 5 times 12 equals 60.
Let's try 6s.
6 times 1 equals 6. 6 times 2 equals 12. 6 times 3 equals 18. 6 times 4 equals 24. 6 times 5 equals 30. 6 times 6 equals 36. 6 times 7 equals 42. 6 times 8 equals 48. 6 times 9 equals 54. 6 times 10 equals 16. 6 times 11 equals 66. 6 times 12 equals 72.